Yes, this is Chris just doing a quick video on the Sangsum dryer. Now, when you're drying your clothes, there are some preset settings that I'd recommend you to use. These 4 at the top, and don't really mess around these at the side. These 4 settings can do most of your drying when using the Sangsum dryer. Also, very important is the vent right here. Always clear it after each dry cycle. This will allow the dryer to work optimal and you won't experience any drying issue. Once this is clogged, to prevent the heat from circulating through the clothes and drying the device. Once you finish clearing it, and it's easy, you just push against this knob here, to use both hands though, and just push against it to pull it apart, clean it out, clip it back together, and then you put it in like that. It should be okay. See you guys in the next video.